Hello and welcome. My name's Ben Howard and I'm a Project MVP based here in the UK. Now my session for Project Virtual Conference is called It's Time to Ditch Excel, Create Proper Plans with Microsoft Project and Microsoft Planner. So what I want to do within an hour is to show you how you can start to use Microsoft Planner in order to create plans that really just track activities and tasks and assign those to specific resources, and then also how you can use Microsoft Project in order to create much more of a schedule-based environment where you create tasks, you assign them to resources, but you assign them in a time-phased environment as well. So we've only got an hour, so please do join me for this session. What I will try and do is show you where Excel can be quite useful as well, but also really what is the value add that you can take out of using the tools such as Planner and such as Microsoft Project. Looking forward to speaking with you and meeting you in June. Thanks a lot from what is now a rainy England. Bye bye.